Molecule and molecular mass. Definition: it is the combination of two or more atoms held together by strong chemical force of attraction. And these strong chemical forces of attraction, also known as chemical bonds. Example: hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen is an atom and chlorine is an atom, which are combined together to form hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen is an atom. We won't tell that hydrogen is a molecule. Chlorine is an atom. Neither will we tell that chlorine is a molecule. But HCl is a molecule. We won't tell that hydrochloric acid is an atom. You consider it is a example of atom, and here it is the example of atom. Here also it is the example of atom. These combined together to form a molecule, and these molecules, which are connected together by strong chemical forces of attraction, and that is known as the chemical bond. Molecules are classed into homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. In homoatomic molecules, the atoms are similar. Example: O2, that is oxygen. It contains two atoms of oxygen. Hydrogen 2, it contains two hydrogen atoms. Chlorine 2, it contains two chlorines. Ozone O3, it contains three oxygen, which are combined together to form a molecule, and that is known as ozone. Heteroatomic molecule. In these molecules, the atoms are different, or else the different atoms which are combined together to form a molecule, that is heteroatomic molecule. Example: HCl, hydrochloric acid. It contains hydrogen and chlorine. Water, two hydrogens and one oxygen, and here the atoms are different. Methane, here it contains one carbon and four hydrogens, so the atoms are different. Next comes what is meant by atomicity. It is defined as the number of atoms present in a molecule. Examples of atomicity: hydrochloric acid, its atomicity is 2. Hydrogen, that is 1, and chlorine, that is 1. Totally it is 2. And it is a diatomic molecule. Atomicity of oxygen, it contains 2 oxygen. It is also the example of diatomic molecule. Atomicity of water, it contains 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. It is called as triatomic molecule. In hydrochloric acid, though it is the example of diatomic molecule, both atoms are different. That is the reason it is called as heterodiatomic molecule. What about oxygen? Oxygen, it is the example of homodiatomic molecule because it contains 2 oxygen and 2 oxygens which are similar. That is the reason the prefix homo we utilized. What about water? Water contains 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. That means it is a hetero and it contains 3 atoms. That is the reason it is called as heterotriatomic molecule. When the atomic molecule is beyond 3, is said to be polyatomic molecule. Now let us see some more examples. Fluorine, F2 here it is. two fluorines. That is why it is diatomic, and both are similar. That is why it is called as homodiatomic. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, it is triatomic because it contains one carbon and two oxygen. Since it is different because two oxygens are different from carbon, it is called as a triatomic. Then about phosphorus, P4 is given. It contains 4. That is the reason we are calling that it is a polyatomic. And since it is similar, it is called as a homopolyatomic. S8, that is sulfur. Since it contains 8 atoms, we are calling that polyatomic. And 8 sulfur, though it is similar, we are calling that it is a homopolyatomic. The last one is glucose. C6H12O6. It is also beyond 3. If it is beyond 3, we are calling that it is a polyatomic. And since it is different because it contains a carbon, it contains a hydrogen, and it contains oxygen, we are calling that a heteropolyatomic.